friends, I'm Rana Mahindra. In this video, I'm going to tell you about Kodular and its functions, for what we are using Kodular and all. Okay, first what you have to do is, first go to Google and just go to Google and search as Kodular. Kodular. After you do that, okay, it's asked me to do this. Okay, now what you have to do is just left click here. Okay, left click, and after you do that, first now I am going to tell you what is Kodular. The Kodular is a platform that you can create apps without using any programming languages. This is the thing. This is one of the easiest tool as well. You can create many apps and advanced apps, etc. from this website, from this tool. Now just click the create apps and it will ask you to sign in. Actually you should sign in, but already I have an account, so I don't need to sign in. This is my account, so I have many projects, so I'm going to create a new project and I'll name as a tutorial and click the next and keep this as default and click the finish button. And after you do that, it will be like this. Just a minute, I'm going to reload this. Yeah. Now you say there's a title. Before that, I'm going to tell you about these things. Actually, this is the designer part. Okay, from here you can design your app, like how it will look and all, etc. Many things you can do from here. Now, if you don't, now I'm going to tell you about the palette. The palette is nothing but you can drag and drop some components and you can use it for your app. And this is the, now here you see that there's another thing like all components screen one. No, here it will tell you the list of how many components are there and what's the component name and all. And if you want to delete that component also, from here you can do that. Now this is called as title bar. Okay, like screen one there. No, if you want to remove that, what you have to do is click that screen one and just scroll down and you will see like a title visible, right? Just click that. If you click that, it just untick that. Now it will be normal. Okay, now I'm going to show you a basic app. Now you got an idea about the designer, right? Now I'm going to drag and drop a button. This is the button. Like suppose when you click this button, something should happen. This is the blocks thing. Okay, from here you can give your blocks. Even I'll tell you about that in today. Now if you want to rename it as something, anything like move to screen 2. Okay, move. Okay. Yeah. If you do that, it will be like this. Before that, you have to drag and drop a layout. That's your wish. If you wanna drag and drop vertical arrangement or horizontal arrangement, that's your wish. Why I was telling about this is the vertical arrangement will be like a straight. Okay, like straight. You can keep the components in a straight way, and the horizontal arrangement is like like this you can do. Now before that I'll show you some example. Now this is the horizontal arrangement. I am giving a flip and now I'm going to drag and drop a button, right? And you can drag and drop these buttons like this. Okay. Now I'm going to show you about the vertical arrangement. Now go to layout and general and drag and drop a vertical arrangement and keep it as flip parent. Now drag and drop a button, and if you want to keep this in font bold, you can do it. Now then it will be, the font will be highlighted. If you don't want, you can untick it, and you can change the font size. Okay, now let me see, if I want to keep this in full thing, you can do that. Now I'm going to tell you about this vertical arrangement. Now drag and drop another button. Now if you can see that these are in a line way, proper way. But if you see the horizontal arrangement, it's in the another way, right? That this is the example. Okay. Now we are going to do something, right? Because it should be interesting, right? Now drag and drop a button and keep this in font bold. So I want it font bold and I want this in full bar. Those are, before that you should always have a layout. Okay, don't forget this. Always you have to drag and drop a vertical arrangement or horizontal arrangement. Now you can do this. And now this is the 25. I'll keep in 25. You can change the font typeface. Okay, now let me say font awesome. You can change the fonts. Okay, I'm keeping in the font. And if you wanna keep that in like this italic, you can do that as well. But I don't want that. Yeah. Now if you wanna keep that in fill parent, you can do that. What does fill parent means? The width fill parent means it will be like it will be in the whole screen. Okay. Now when I turn on this, it's like it occupied the all space, all width, right, in the app, like that. And from height, it is also very similar. When you keep the fill parent, it will occupy the whole things height which is remaining. Now I'm going to keep this in automatic. Now if you want to keep this in middle of the app, from that also you can do that. Just give it a center. Now it's in center, but if you want in the whole center, you can do that. Just do like this. Now here you see that it's in the middle of the app. Now if you want to change the text, you can do that. I'm going to give that as go to another screen. Now I'm going to tell you the meaning. Now when we click this button, what should happen is it should move to another screen, because like that I wanna tell you. Now go to blocks. I'm going to explain you every block. Go to blocks and drag and drop when button click to. What is meaning of this block is when we click this button, what should happen? That's it. Now when I click this button, it should go to enter screen, right? For that, actually you should create a new screen. For that, what you have to do is go to click the add screen, and the name should be let me say main screen. Main underscore main screen. Now create it. Now you will be redirecting to this main screen. Like still I don't want any title bar, so I have removed it. Now go to screen 1. If you wanna go to screen 1, you should click here. See my cursor? Just left click there and click the screen 1. Now go to blocks, and already we have drag and drop it, right? Now what you have to do is go to controls and drag and drop open another screen and screen name. You should have that screen name. Okay, now you see that this is main cap and all those are capitals, main underscore screen, right? You should do that like that. Okay, now drag and go to text and scroll up, and you will see this text option. Okay, after that what you have to do is you should enter the screen name. Now my screen thing is screen. Okay, what will happen is this main screen is nothing but this is the screen name. Okay, this screen 2's name is this. What will happen is when we click button 1, what will happen is it will be redirecting to screen 2, nothing but a main screen. Now what we have to do is going to main screen, and we should design something. Now I'm going to tell you a tool. Okay, that is Lottie animations. What does that means? Before that, what you have to do is go to drawings an animation and drag and drop a lottie. And lottie is an animations. Okay, from there you can do these things. Now what you have to do is go to new tab and go here and use the lottie. Click the lottie button, and here's this lottie, right? Just I'll try to give this links in description. So just click the lottie files. After you do it, it will ask you to log in. Actually, I have already an account. Okay. Yeah. Now what you have to do is set any animations. Now, like if I want animation like welcome, you can do this. Just do it like this, and there are many millions of projects. Nothing like, let me say that I'll pick something like this. Yeah. What you have to do is nothing but you should copy the animation URL. Okay, just click this copy and it will show you as copy. Now if you wanna keep that animation here, you can do that. How you can do is now let me say that go to blocks. Okay, then what you have to do is click the main underscore screen, and what you have to do is drag and drop when main screen underscore screen initialize do, which means that when we open the screen, what should happen? Actually my animation should come, right? Now what you have to do is drag and drop set lottie source to, which means that the source of this animation. Now go drag and drop text and keep here. Now click here and copy paste it. You can do in two ways. You can copy paste from Ctrl plus V, or right clicking there and clicking the paste. Both will work. Okay. Now successfully when you test or export the app, it will be like this. Like that animation will be shown. But wait. But if you wanna keep that thing in fill parent, you can do it. Just keep it as fill parent. Now it will occupy its width. Now it has occupied, no, like that. Now then it will be bigger. Okay. Now what should happen is when now I'm going to have another button. Now I'm going to show you. Just go to text and click that. Actually we forgot to drag and drop a vertical element, but it's fine, no problem. Click me. Why I'm keeping like this? Now this will be a question, right? Why I'm keeping this is now in screen to what we are going to do is, what I'm going to tell you is when we click this button, something should happen, right? Like that when I click this button, like if you wanna do something, like I have kept it to click me, right? Now before that, let's design it. Just click the background color and choose what you want. Yeah, and like in Japan, no, it's not good. It's not good. Okay, let's keep in 15% and to Japan. Now what will happen is when I click this button, this. Now I'm going to add a layout. Before that, I want to show you. And keep the width and height as the parent. Now what should happen is when we click this button, this vertical arrangement should change this color to another color. Now if you see this, here this no color, right? It's in like none. There's no color. Now if you wanna do like when we click this click me button, what should happen is this vertical arrangement should change its color to something like red, yellow, something. Now I'm going to show you that how to do that. First go to here and click this, drag and drop this button, and what you have to do is click this vertical arrangement one and drag and drop this set vertical arrangement dot background color to, which means that to show you something. Yeah. Now click this colors thing and change it to yellow. And drag and drop this, and this is completed. Now what will happen is when we click this button, what will happen is this vertical arrangement background color will be changed to yellow. Okay. And also, so if you wanna do any other things also you can do, and this is the basic app in Kodular. Okay. So this is the video for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any doubts, you can comment down. Okay.